Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Hello and welcome to another episode of News from the World of MBA. In today's episode, I'll talk about an important CAT 2020 related notification, the official TISNET notification, as well as summer placements for IIM Calcutta's latest batch. Let's dive in. Since 2017, the IIMs have been releasing the official answer key to the CAT question papers, and they also release candidates' individual response sheets to help them calculate their overall marks. In 2020 as well, IIM Indore will release the CAT 2020 response sheet and answer key on the 8th of December of 2020. Candidates will also be provided options to raise objections on the answer key from December 8th to 11th. If you're interested, you can go back and visit the previous episode where I talk about CAT 2020 percentile predictions done by Time, IMS and Career Launcher. You can also visit our website for a more detailed analysis using the link in the description. The TISNET 2021 notification has now been officially released and registrations for the exam have begun. The exam will be conducted on the 20th of February from 2 pm to 3:40 pm, making this a 1 hour and 40 minutes test. The exam will have a total of 100 questions split across 3 sections, which are English proficiency, mathematical and logical reasoning, and general awareness. In 2020, candidates applying for the HRM and LR program will also have to appear for the Management Aptitude Test or TISMAT, in addition to TISNET. This exam will be conducted only for those candidates who are shortlisted based on their TISNET results. The TISMAT exam will be a combination of both MCQs as well as descriptive writing for a duration of 45 minutes. The exam will have 4 sections, which are comprehension, management data interpretation, business awareness and descriptive writing. While creating the final shortlist, TIS will assign a 30% weight for a candidate's TISNET scores, 40% weight for TISMAT scores and 30% weight for the online personal interview round. Now please remember that the last date for online registration is January 15th, 2021. For more information, please do visit the admissions website of TIS. IIM Calcutta has concluded the summer placements process for its batch of 2022. About 139 firms participated in the placement process, of which 43 were first-time recruiters to IIM Calcutta. The first cluster consisted of 5 cohorts, which included top firms in private equity, investments, venture capital firms, management consulting, and offers at international locations. 180 students were placed across 35 firms in the cluster, and Accenture was the top recruiter with 21 internship offers. The second cluster comprised 60 firms offering 80 roles in conglomerates, FMCG, consumer services, software services, e-commerce and consumer durables cohorts. 171 students got placed in the cluster, with Microsoft making the highest number of internship offers in this cluster. The third cluster comprised 44 firms across advertising, BFSI, consulting services, powering and utilities, manufacturing, hospitality services, food aggregators and startup cohorts. 122 students got placed in this cluster. Consulting, finance and BFSI accounted for 40% of the total offers, and 32% of students will be pursuing their internships in general management and sales and marketing roles. As many as 60 of 76 teachers of IIM Calcutta have written to the Union Education Ministry, raising certain grave concerns about the decline in academic and research environment and systematic undermining of the Academic Council, the principal academic body. Elaborating the issue of decline in academic environment, the letter by the faculty says the student-teacher ratio at IIM Calcutta has worsened significantly over the past 2 years, and the country's oldest IIM today has 20 to 30 full-time faculty members, fewer than IIM Ahmedabad or IIM Bangalore. IIM Calcutta has more students in its 2-year MBA program compared to both IIM A and IIM B, said a teacher. The teachers have also alleged that digital infrastructure for online teaching during the COVID-19 pandemic lockdown have been denied to faculty and students of IIM Calcutta. In the letter, director Anju Seth was squarely blamed for undermining the role of the Academic Council since taking charge. The Naukri JobSpeak Index for November 2020 has said that hiring activity remained flat in November 2020 as compared to the previous month. The report further revealed that the hiring index declined by 28% in November 2020 as compared to November 2019. As per the report, the entry-level experience band witnessed a sharp decline of 36% in hiring activity. The report noted that the IT software sector continues to register growth in sequential hiring for the fourth straight month, with the demand for a digitally enabled world being the need of the hour. The IT sector grew by 10% in November 2020 over the previous month. That's all for today. I'll see you very soon with more updates from the world of MBA and business.
Hi guys, Inside IIM has come up with an exciting new one-on-one mentorship product where you get to interact with superstar managers from different businesses, different functions. You can ask them everything around your career, your education, your future success. If you are interested, the link is in the description below. Thanks.